Ernesta Karačkaitė is set to go down against Nicole Cagliari, and Ernesta Karačkaitė rides on a score of 5-1-1. Heavy-handed is the flyweight fighter out of Lithuania, 5'9", 71 inches of reach. She's got big punches, but she mostly destroys her opponents via excellent durability. And we've seen her doing a great job against Carla Judice, but against Dion Barboza, she slowed down in the last round, which kinda shocked me a bit. It was really much of a surprise to me, because I ain't got used to Ernesta Karačkaitė that is fatigued in the final round. And Nicole Cagliari riding on a score of 8-0. She is 5'3", 62 inches of reach. She is mostly based around ground game. And she might submit her opponent. Yeah, she got submitted by Kay Hansen, but she is very good in submissions. Also lost to Yuri Kondo. On the other side, Karačkaitė is a better striker. I see a finish in this fight. A safe fight, not going the distance, but I think Cagliari could stop her easily via some kind of a submission, as Karačkaitė not too good with submissions. Again, Cagliari not too good striker. Karačkaitė could put her to sleep. All cards are open here. 50-50 to me.